Huawei launched its first pop-up selfie camera phone called the Y9 Prime way back in 2019. And now, the company has launched an updated version of the phone onto the market called the Y9A. Hey guys, this is Chris from Gadget Voice and today we're looking at the Huawei Y9A. The Y9A is a mid-range device that features a 64MP quad camera, 40-watt Huawei Supercharge, big memory and great value at an affordable price point. The phone features a thin and smooth 3D arc design and comes with a super responsive side-mounted fingerprint scanner. On the front, the phone comes with a 6.63 inches ultra full view full HD display which offers a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. It also features super narrow bezels, offering a 92% screen to body ratio. The camera module at the back features a halo ring design and houses a 64MP main camera with an aperture of f1.8. You also get an 8MP ultra wide angle lens, a 2MP depth lens and a 2MP macro lens, all coming in with an aperture of f2.4. The quad camera setup works together for photography in all scenarios, be it high resolution, ultra wide angle, bokeh or macro lens. The quad camera also allows for low light photography thanks to the AIS Night Mode 2.0 mode, which is capable of shooting at an ISO of 51200. The wide angle photography is also taken care of by the Y9A's 120-degree wide angle photo lens. Turn the phone around and you won't find either a notch or a teardrop front camera. Instead, the Y9A comes with an auto pop-up selfie camera which is rated at 16 megapixels. You also get AI Beautification 5.1 feature and EIS anti-shake technology. Under the hood, the Y9A is powered by a 1.8 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio G80 processor. The phone also comes with a 4200 mAh battery and it features 40 watts Huawei Supercharge technology. This means the 40-watt adapter can charge the Huawei Y9A to 70% battery in about 30 minutes. You also get 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage space which can be expanded using a micro SD card. The Huawei Y9A is powered by Android 10 with EMUI 10.1 running on top of it. Now EMUI 10.1 comes with a lot of new features such as the Smart Collage. This eliminates the trouble of using third-party apps for photo editing. Based on the number of photos you choose between 2 and 9, a collage template is automatically created. The Smart Collage application uses an algorithm to calculate the crop size of each photo and positions the photos on the collage automatically. You also get intuitive gesture controls. Huawei's Knuckle gesture supports multi-shape or sectional screenshots. This means you can swipe to screenshot longer images or start screen recording. The Y9A also comes with innovative features such as a game assistant for a better gaming experience. You also get multi-window split screen for better performance and even an ebook reading mode. To use the multi-window split screen, you can swipe the side of the screen to open a multi-window split screen and enjoy many more useful functions. If you like music, you will enjoy features like party mode. Gaming or watching movies is made more immersive with ultra shadow enhancement that improves contrast and dynamic range. You also get to choose from a wide range of apps thanks to Huawei's App Gallery. This is Huawei's official app store with a constantly growing list of apps where users can simply browse and download the apps they need. You also get Huawei's Petal Search, which allows you to search and install top apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. The Huawei Y9A is now available for 1049 dirhams in 3 colors: Space Silver, Sakura Pink, and midnight black. The Y9A will be available for pre-orders from 17 September onwards with a free Huawei AM61 Bluetooth headphones as a gift. So that was the Huawei Y9A. Do let us know what you think about this phone in the comment section below. And like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.